Good morning, fellow Forex traders. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving weekend. Ready for a big week of trading. It's Monday, November 27th. We're going to look at the currencies. Welcome to all those that are be watching the video. This video is being recorded. It'll be posted in about an hour. And those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. First time here, I do Forex swing trading. I don't do day trading, even though there is sometimes a trade during the daytime New York session, my time. I'm on Eastern. And if you hit the subscribe button, and then you'll also have to click on the notify me button, and then it will notify you when I have a new video. Enough of the marketing. On to the currencies. We're looking at the pound dollar 1 hour. It's made a 1 hour sell. It's kind of trying to run away. I need a little pull up in here because it's right now that high is 26.43 so this is in the 20s. You could still get in right now. That meets the parameters for a sell. That would be your stop, the high of that candle. You don't have to put it above the high, you put it at the high. The 4 hour has made a sell signal too, so those are both in agreement for a sell on the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar is in a sell as well, so that's two currencies now that's tied with the dollar. Dollar getting stronger. The 4 hour has made a sell signal as well, so both of those in agreement on the sell side. On the Aussie, there is news coming up Wednesday that's going to affect it. Big news. And there's also New Zealand news on Wednesday, big news that's going to affect it. So if you're trading anything that's Aussie related or New Zealand related, be careful. That's on Wednesday. So the Aussie is in a sell signal as well, and it's still within range, 66.14 basically, and it's 28 plus the spread, about 30 pips. That's not right. 14, 96, 18, 20 pip risk, $20 risk if you get in right now. That's the stop is the high of that candle. The pound CAD has made a 1 hour sell signal. Now it has run away 33, so that's over my parameters. It's 35, so I need a little push up into here to get in short to make it a low risk trade. Otherwise it's going to run away and miss that. The 4 hour has made a 4 hour sell signal as well, so both of those in agreement on the sell side, 1 and the 4 hour. And that high is 33. It's at 31. Like I said, it's $35 risk right now if you got in now, but that's beyond my parameters that I have for me. That's for me. The pound yen is in a 1 hour sell. There was the opportunity right there to get in, and that was last night, which I got in the low risk trade. 42. That ain't right. I didn't have it on the right one. 65. 19 pips was my risk. There is no risk now because I've been able to get off the 50, which the pound yen, because of its range, daily range, I take it off at 50 pips, half of it. And I've been able to move my stop, which originally was at this high. When the poke down came, half of it was taken off. Then my stop was there at break even plus $2, and it pushed up retrace. This is what I like to see. Then it flushes down. It's about to take out the low. Now I can move my stop down to here and see what happens the second half of the position. so it's making money as well. First half I've already took off. The 1 hour has a sell. The 4 hour also has a sell, so both of them have been in agreement, because there's been several candles that's been made on both of those. The Euro New Zealand, it's in a buy, and it's down to where you could take a low risk buy. That low is 180, 179.37 basically, and it's been down to 42.5, plus the spread is $10 risk. I'm in this trade. I'm willing to risk $10 a Big Mac combo meal to see if it turns back up. Stop is at the low right now. I've got to keep it there till this thing does turn up and I'm able to take off half of my position. Then I can move it to break even plus $1 or $2, and it's going to make money. Just want it to go higher. So it's not too late to get in that trade if you want to get it, because it's just a little bit above where I got in. So you're going to still be risking about $20. And on the 4 hour, it is still in a sell. So they're not totally in agreement, but this could be just a short-term retracement. And as long as it's low risk, that's what I look for. I'm willing to lose $10 to possibly get 200. Pound New Zealand has gone sideways since that push up, which was on the day before Thanksgiving. And it has gone just sideways, really done nothing. The 4 hour is still in a sell. There was a sell opportunity there. Now it's just kind of going sideways here, staying in the range. Nothing to do on the Pound New Zealand yet. New Zealand yen 1 hour. Let's see if we can squeeze that in. I see it came up. There's original sell right there. It came up, gave you opportunity to go short, which I'm in. I'm not in very many right now. But I've been able to take off half on this, and on the New Zealand yen it's $35 is where you take it off at. It's where I take it off at, half the position, then move the stop. Originally it's got to be over here, that high, but now I've been able to move it to right here. When done the 35, at the 35 pips, I needed to push down so I can move the stop right there on the second half. But I've already took off half at the 35, and the second half of the position I've got $2 on, so it's going to make money regardless, but I needed to push down. On the New Zealand yen, the Euro Aussie is in a buy 1 hour. We're going to look at the 4 hour, and it's not in a buy yet. It has the potential to come down here to make the buy, just below 165. So it's still got a little bit more. So really, there's not anything to do because that's where I'm expecting it. But this could be a small retracement up, and it is a low risk buy. But I'm not in that Euro Aussie. Euro CAD is in a buy. The 4 hour is not in a buy, so those don't agree. But the Euro CAD, see, it kind of ran away, didn't really give you a chance to get in. If it did come down into here, 149. Yeah, it's got to come down into here to have a chance to low risk buy. So there's nothing to do on it yet because the risk is too great where it's trading at. It's like 55, almost 60 pip risk. So nothing to do on the Euro CAD. The Pound Aussie is in a 1 hour sell. I'm going to look to see if it got, no, it didn't get up there. Has the potential to go up to here and sell off. but it is in a 1 hour sale. The 4 hour is kind of going sideways too. So there's nothing really to do on the pound Aussie. As if it does turn around and push up to give you a low risk sell, it's probably going higher. And that's on the pound Aussie. The CAD yen is in a 1 hour sell. I missed getting in that. That was last night too. Missed it by 4 pips getting in. And I probably should have went in a market order because I would have took off half the position already. Missed that one. Missed that trade. So the 4 hour is trying to push up to the sell, but didn't quite get up there because the risk was still going to be too great. 65. 67 pips plus the spread. 70 pip risk. When it poked up to there, so it didn't get up there enough, needed to be up a little bit higher, which it still could go and then sell off. But because it kind of ran away here, I'm looking for it to pull down here first for a buy and then head higher. And the CAD yen is in a sell, so that would be the best opportunity to pull down in here. But there's nothing to do there. That's not going to happen today. If it does push up into here, there is a chance for a low risk sell or a push back down here. So nothing to do on the CAD yen yet. Euro yen's in a 1 hour sell. The 4 hour is also in a sell. It came up 64.01. That's 33 pips risk. It was right here, which is in the parameters because the spread was included in that for a sale, but it just hasn't moved yet. Well, yes, it has too. It has moved. Yeah, you'd have taken off because the euro yen is 40 pips, so you would have got your 40, and your stop now would be break even plus $1 or $2. Now you need a little bit of retracement up into here, and then it sell off where you can move your stop down again. Aussie yen is in a sale. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's the better sale. That's the one I'm in too. Yeah, I'm not as in many as I usually am because a couple of them I missed, but I am in the odd yen. It's a 35. You take off half of your position at 35 pips. Originally would get in, the stop was over here, the high of that candle. Because it's now pushed down, I've been able to take off half the position. Now it's at my entry plus $2. So that one's going to make, second half is going to make money too. I need it to make more money. If it does a little retracement up somewhere into here and then sells off, then I'll be able to move my stop down. So that's it for all those. I'm not in as many as usual. There's about 3 of them I missed. So that's the video for today. I have another video tomorrow. Like I said, this is being recorded. It'll be put on in about an hour. We do have news. Lots of news this week. Most of it's on Wednesday. So just be careful of that, especially if you're in an Aussie or New Zealand tied currency, anything tied to that. So these are the trades that you look for when my signals show up, which is one of them. These are not for sale. I don't have them on the internet. Nobody's able to get them because that's exactly what would have happened, and then somebody would try to sell it as their own. So that's why I don't want to put it out there, because I worked hard, spent long, late hours, many months putting this together, and that was in 2006. So I'm not giving it away for somebody else to take credit on it. But this is what you do. These don't show up all the time, these arrows. So I have to wait on the arrow to show up. I don't care what it does. When it shows up and it starts to run away, then it gives you a retracement with a low risk trade. See, like this one, the low is 84 basically. And that low is 87. 3 plus the 3 on the spread is $6 risk. And I got stopped out. I should have took it up here when it hit there, because that's major resistance when it gets up into there. But it didn't. But I was able to move the stop up to here, but I got stopped out of the trade. But now I'm in a sell. So I've been in a buy and a sell on this trade. Actually started on November the 21st. And here we are on the 27th, 6 days, and I've been able to trade the Aussie yen twice, both long and short. Made the most money with the buys so far, but I've been able to take off half of the position on the Aussie yen, and the other half is going to make, $2 if it gets stopped out. So I'm going to be careful watching this one, because like I said, the Aussie news is coming up Wednesday, so I have to be very careful, because I am in a Aussie yen. So I had some comments from several people actually over the weekend through my Gmail account about wanting me to go back to doing live streaming, which I had done for, I guess it was about 5 weeks, and didn't have anybody to show up. Had a lot of views, but didn't have anybody show up in the chat, and I don't like hearing myself talk. So my time is valuable, just like y'all's is, so I had to close it down. But now I'm getting some people back wanting me to bring back the live streaming, because I still have the videos recorded from my past live streaming. And then I had a couple more in the comments section that asked that there's not enough trading action, which, several weeks ago I had some others, they may have been the same ones that come back again and said it, I'm not sure. But I explained to them, I said I do swing trading, I don't do day trading, 1, 3, and 5 minute charts. Like I've said in most of my videos, I've been there, done that, bought the t-shirt, and I burnt the t-shirt after blowing 2 accounts trading that way. And so I was able to find swing trading with my indicators back in 2006, started implementing in 2007, and have been trading that ever since. So going on 17 years. So I see no reason to go back to trading that way. And most traders that trade are in a 93% losing bracket, blowing their accounts or not making any money, and then they give up and close their account because they're about to blow their account. So why would you want to be in that group? They're the ones that trade the 1, 3, 5, 15 minute charts. So the big boys, the ones who make the money, who control the markets, they use 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily charts. So why wouldn't we do the same thing? I don't feel I'm any smarter than those guys who go to schooling for that and get trained by the guys who make money. So that's why most people think they're better than the rest of the traders, so they try to beat them at their own game. But that's why they're in the losers bracket, 93%. So why would you continue following that? Just use common sense. That's all it is. No need to follow them doing that. I tried it, lost not once but twice, blowing 2 accounts. So I've not blown any accounts since I've made Forex and have been able to retire trading this. So I feel I'm on the right path, no need to change. So I hope everybody has a good night, good rest of the day if they're in the US. and we'll have another video tomorrow. You're welcome to go in the comment section on my YouTube channel page. Under the video there'll be a comment section. If you got any questions to ask or comments to make, you can do it in there. I get back to them pretty quick, except for those that's overseas that may be up when I'm asleep. It will be the next morning when I get up, so don't think I forgot about you. I hadn't. It's just the time zone is all it is. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.